Now children, today let's start with chapter number 9, the age of the first farmers. Right? So let's start with the chapter now, the hunter-gatherer of the early times. Right? In the Mesolithic period were good observer. They learned lot from changing climatic conditions. Gradually, people started producing cereal grasses and they become farmer. And what we call them herders. Right? Neolithic age, this was the period of change from old stone. Man made number of inventions and discoveries during this period. It started till and it's remained till 10,000 BCE, and the period of New Stone Age or Neolithic Age roughly extended to 8,000 to 4,000 BC. Right? Main features of New Stone Age are, the most striking feature of men in the New Stone Age was he began to live a settled life. Man was no more nomad और वेंडर सर्च फॉर फूड. अब लोग जो थे वो सर्च करने के लिए खाने को एक दूसरे पे एक प्लेस से दूसरी प्लेस वेंडर नहीं करते थे. एक जगह पे उन्होंने सेटल लाइफ जीना स्टार्ट कर. राइट. द मैप इज गिवन टू यू ऑफ डिफरेंट न्यूलिथिक साइट, बुर्ज होम, राइट, मैरम गांव, दिल्ली. तो आपको डिफरेंट यहाँ पे क्या दी हुई है, न्यूलिथिक साइट्स दी हुई है. Killing goat, sheep or oxen, he should tame these animals and he could use these animals as food also. जब भी necessary हो. Then we have invention of wheel. Neolithic man intelligence led him to invent the wheel. A round trunk of a felled tree might have given him this idea, and when he cut round trunk of wood, it might have rolled down, and thus it occurred to him the idea of. Now we have pottery and other arts. Now the men in the New Stone Age needed pots for his daily use in order to store them in food and adult items, and he began to make pots from clay and then he dried them. और ड्राई करने के बाद उन्होंने क्या करा, सन में ड्राई करने के बाद, but soon he found that these pots could be baked on the fire. और इनको हम और स्ट्रॉन्गर बना सकते हैं. और अब आप देखते हैं, अब हम प्रेजेंट टाइम में हम पॉट्स वगैरह का यूज़ करते हैं फ्लावर्स रखने के लिए, डेकोरेटिव आइटम्स बन गए. पहले लोग खाना बनाते थे, खाना स्टोर करते थे. Extended the use of fire. Man has discovered fire by the end of the old age. Now it is New Stone Age. He learned to use fire. Now अब उसने क्या करा, फायर को लर्न करा, and he could heat the earthenware to a certain degree in order to harden them for strength. और फिर उसको हार्ड करता था एक strength तक. Then we have polished tool. What are polished tool? The tools were still made up of stones, but now they were harder and highly polished. The tool included axes, hammers, scissors, saws, make, heads. Polished tools have been found in large number in South Asia. If we talk about in North, Neolithic implements have been found in Kashmir Valley, Assam, Bihar, Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. Now we have Neolithic sites and remains of grains and animals bones. We have मेहरगढ़, वीट और बार्ले देखने को मिलते हैं आपको. बुरजहोम, वीट एंड लेंटल. गुफरा अक्काल, वीट एंड लेंटल. कोहिलदवा, राइस. महनगरा, राइस. चिरान आपको वीट, ग्रीन ग्राम और बार्ले. हलूर, मिलेट. पय्यमपली, ब्लैक ग्राम एंड मिलेट. देन वी हैव शीप, गोट, कैटल, पाकिस्तान. डोग, कैटल, शीप, गोट, बफेलो, कश्मीर. फ्रेगमेंट्री एनिमल बोन्स, उत्तर प्रदेश. कैटल्स, उत्तर प्रदेश. बफेलो एंड फॉक्स, बिहार. Cattle, sheep, goat and pig, Andhra Pradesh. Cattle, sheep and pig, Andhra Pradesh. Now we have Chalcolithic age. The end of the Neolithic period saw very different kind of development. In Central and Deccan India, a very different kind of culture developed throughout and used metal. इस पीरियड में हमने मेटल का यूज़ करा. एंड द टर्म चाल्कोलिथिक इज डाइड फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड खालकोस, जिसका मतलब है कॉपर, और लिथोस मीन स्टोन. तो यहाँ पे हम कॉपर स्टोन का यूज़ करते थे. Areas of Chalcolithic culture in India. So, most of the Chalcolithic culture flourished in semi-arid region of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Maharashtra. Some of the settlements have been found in southern or eastern India. We have Ahar culture, then we have Kite culture, right? Then we have Malwa culture, जो आपका 1900 BC to 4400 BC. Salvada 2300 to 2000, Jorva 2000 to 1900, Prabha ये भी 2000 to 1900. Then we have Rangpur culture from 1800 to 1400. Now we have discovery of metal. We have discovered copper and bronze. Copper age, man was marching ahead. The next important discovery made by man was discovery of metal. He found that nature scattered metal around him Copper was the first metal he used from the period of 4000 to 200 BC, जिसको हम copper age कहते हैं. Then we have bronze age. Next to the copper, men discovered tin, zinc and lead. He had realized that copper was a soft metal. So what he did, he learned to mix copper with the tin and zinc, and this alloy was called bronze, and it was harder than copper or tin. ये थोड़ा harder था. Then we have difference between Paleolithic and Neolithic. Age and period of Paleolithic ये आपका 5 लाख BC to 10,000, और जो आपका Neolithic है वो 8,000 to 4,000. यहाँ पे लोग क्रूड और अनशेप्ड स्टोन टूल का यूज़ करते थे. यहाँ पे मैन ने डोमेस्टिकेशन स्टार्ट कर दिया था और फूड एग्रीकल्चर करना स्टार्ट कर दिया था. मैन क्लोथ्स हिमसेल्फ विद द स्किन ऑफ एनिमल. अब वो क्लोथ को वीव करते थे, कॉटन और क्लोथ्स बनाते. मैन ओनली चेज्ड एंड किल्ड एनिमल फॉर देयर मीट. यहाँ पे अब मैन क्या करते थे, एनिमल्स को टेम करते थे, डोमेस्टिकेट. मैन डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू मेक पॉटरी. पॉटरी मेकिंग वॉज अ सिग्निफिकेंट फीचर. ये जो पॉटरी मेकिंग था ये यहाँ का सिग्निफिकेंट फीचर था. Now these are terms to know. We have completed the chapter. You will read them. Now in this chapter I have told about Neolithic age, how the men started domesticating animal, do agriculture, and then I have told about the Chalcolithic age. Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.